Hi, good morning, students. Today, in our online study, we will start our new book, the second book, It So Happened, the supplementary book for class 8th. In this book, our first story is How the Camel Got His Hump, written by Rudyard Kipling. The story is a fable. What is fable? Fable is a story with animal character which gives a moral message. In our last poem, The Ant and the Cricket, I told you what is the fable. Fable is a story having animal character which give a moral message. The story is about the beginning of the world. Many years ago, when the beginning of the world and the animal started to work for the human being, there was a lazy camel. He sits in the middle of the howling desert and he ate only prickles, thorns, and milkweeds. He does not want to walk, so he lived in the howling desert. If someone spoke to him, he always responded only hum. On the first day, a horse came to the camel and asked him to do work. He said to the camel, "Camel, come with me and let us trot." Then the camel replied, "Hum." So the horse went away to the man and said to the man that he does not want to do work. On the next day, a dog came to the camel holding a stick in his mouth and said to the camel, "Let us come with me and fetch and carry like me." Then again the camel replied, "Hum." And dog also went away from there. On the next day, an ox came to the camel and asked him to plow. He said to the camel, "Come along with me and plow like the rest of us." And again camel replied, "Hum." So they all three went to the man and complained about the camel. They all said that since 3 days the camel did not do anything. So the man replied, "Sorry, the camel is not willing to walk, and you have to do the work of his part also. So you three must do his share of the work." The man said that you three have to do extra work to make up for him. So they all three become very angry and they talk and complain about the camel. So they all three went to the camel and said to the camel that you are not doing any work since last 3 days, and man had said to us to do the work of your part also. Why are you not doing the work? We will have to do the work of your part also. Then again the camel replied, "Hum." So they all three became more angry and they decided to take the matter to the panchayat. So they held a panchayat along with the jinn, who is the in charge of the desert. And he conferred with the three. They asked to the jinn that there is a camel in the middle of your desert and he did not work anything since last 3 days. He is very idle. he did not want to work. He is very lazy. Then the jinn said to them, okay, I will see the matter. Wait a minute, let us me go and check. I will see the camel. So, in the cloud of dust, the jinn came to the camel. When the camel was drinking the water in the pond and looking his reflection into the water. So, the jinn asked to the camel that why he is not doing any work since last 3 days. Then the camel responded, Hum. The jinn told the camel that since he has chosen not to work, he has to given the 3 extra work. He has to given the punishment. The camel again said, Hum. Then the jinn gave him a warning and said to the camel, if he will say again hum, then something will be bad. Something will be happen bad. And I will punish you. And as soon as the camel respond with hum, again the camel said hum. So the jinn became very angry. And suddenly the jinn made a magic and a big and ugly hump emerged on the beautiful back of the camel. Then the jinn said to the camel that this is your own hump, now brought on by his selfishness and lack of activity. The jinn said to the camel that now you will work without eating for 3 days, and you can store your food in your hump. Then the camel went to join their friends, and from that day always the camel has a hump. The camel has yet to catch up with the work he missed in the beginning of the time. Now the camel has learned how to behave, how to work. Now the jinn crushed the camel, made a magic, and there is a big hump emerged on the beautiful back of the camel. Theme of the story. In the story, Rudyard Kipling brings out the theme of laziness effectively. Here, the poet wants to make the understand to the people that we should not become lazy. We should do the work. The main idea here to make the readers understand the importance of hard work. The writer wants to tell the student the importance of hard work. Laziness will not lead us to success. In fact, by avoiding work, we will end up feeling lot more than we can do. Here the writer wants to say the student, wants to say the reader that we should work hard. Always a hard work leads the success. If we work hard, then we will get success. But if we become lazy, then we become more and more lazy. But if we will work hard, then we can achieve our target, achieve our success. So students, you should also work hard, be happy, stay healthy, and study your lesson and achieve good marks in your life and be success in your life. Thank you.